guys, today we're going to make a lemon cookie. This recipe is new to me. I have never made it before, so not sure how it's going to turn out, but we're going to try it and see what it does. Need a half a cup of butter, softened. Need 1 cup of sugar. And we're just gonna mix this up. My butter is very, very soft. You're just going to want to kind of cream it all together. I do enjoy trying to make new recipes that I've never made before. Sometimes they turn out really well. Other times they don't. I tried one this morning. It did not turn out at all. So, you all will not be seeing that video because I have already deleted it. Alright, get your butter and your sugar all creamed together. Just like that. To that, you are going to add 1 egg. You're going to add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Two tablespoons of lemon juice. 1 tablespoon of lemon zest. Doesn't have to be precisely 1 tablespoon, but as close as you can get to it. I used this lemon in another recipe, so that's why it was already partially zested. Let's see what we got. Yeah, it'll be close. Actually, I think it'll be right on. by all means, if you want with the lemon juice, if you want to squeeze your lemons to get the juice, I am all for it. All right, 1 tablespoon lemon zest. Whew. It's very lemony in my house right now. We're going to give that a mix. Okay. To this lemony mixture, we are going to add 1.5 cups of flour. Okay, 1.5 cups of flour, half a teaspoon of baking powder, okay, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, soda, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And we're going to give this a mix. And if y'all know me well enough to know, I'm going to get my hands dirty. I'm going to stick my hands in here and I'm going to mix it up. Make sure it's all nice and well combined. Just because I find my hands do a little bit better of a job than a spoon or a spatula. It's a very soft dough. Very, very soft. Very sticky. Very sticky. It's okay. All right. I'm going to get my hands washed up. And then we will move on to the next step. Get some of the stuff out of our way. Grab a couple of spoons. It smells amazing. We shall see how it tastes. Alright, you're going to grab a cookie tray. I recommend using a silicone mat if you do not have one. Parchment paper or spraying your cookie sheet works just fine. We're just going to take a spoonful. We're going to drop it down on our paper or on our baking sheet. You're going to need your oven preheated to 350 degrees for this cookie. As I said, I've never made these before, so we will see how they turn out. I do know, from what I've been told, they are a very soft cookie. And the lady I got the recipe from rolls hers in powdered sugar. Kind of gives it that crinkle look. I didn't have powdered sugar, so we're not doing the powdered sugar step. Plus, I don't think they really need a whole lot of sugar. More sugar, because they have a lot of sugar in them. Alright. Alright. We've now got these on our cookie tray. We're going to put them in the oven for 10 to 12 minutes. That one is a baby. Let me make that a little bit bigger. There we go. Alright, when they come out, I'll show you what they look like. Okay, everybody. These were in my oven for 12 minutes. That is what they look like when they come out. We're going to get them transferred to a wire rack and let them cool completely. As I can find a wire rack in my cabinet. My cabinets are not wanting to cooperate today. Alright. I don't want to melt my bowl. So. They are very, very soft. Very soft. That is what they look like on the back side. Very soft cookie. They will firm up a little bit as they cool, but they will ultimately be a very soft cookie. They're very lemony smelling. All right, as I trip over my pant legs. That is what they look like on the inside. very soft. As you see, they're very soft. Oh my goodness. It's almost like eating a lemon head. They're very lemony and very soft. It'd be great with a cup of coffee. Alright, if you like what you've seen in these videos, please hit that subscribe and like button, and we'll see you in the next one. Ta-ta for now.